Right, so we're up over.
So I want you to go up and over, back, forward, back, forward, back, land. But just try what you can manage at the moment. Don't worry about how many numbers are backwards,
Right, so just once back and over.
I want you to go up and over, back, forward, land it, or you can do another one. See how you go. Up and over, up and over. Okay, good. Nearly. So my front is my front. Up and over.
Yeah, just like that.
I don't want to see the line go.
Right.
You're just setting up the class.
Okay.
Up and over. Okay? Up and over. Back to the camera. And pull up straight. So, that's good. Action. Good. You're going to get this real soon. Up and over. Back. So you know with what you let it go as soon as you went. Hear it. Don't let it go. Only let the line go forward when we're casting forward.
Right, so I'll go peek again.
Up and over. So you know with it up and over. Go up and over. And back.
More difficult than it looks. I'm going to have a go in a minute. Guess what? I've caught my first ever rainbow trout, a wild rainbow trout from this wild river. It's only a little baby. But I tell you what, there's only one time in your life you get your first one, isn't there? And there he is. Little wild rainbow trout. Whee! There he goes. And she's got one, Celsa's got one, whee! Right, I'll try and grab him. Bring him in gently. Whoa! There we are. Got him. There's Sal's little trout. No.
Are you going to have a photo?
Put him in the net, I'll unhook him. That's it. Oh, blimey. You reel the line in.
Wait on, oh, this is not good.
There you go.
I've
Oh,
still-
brilliant.
I've
Same
still-
place.
I've still got the fish. Are you
Oh.
going to take, she has to have a photo.
Yes, of course. You want a photo of it, don't you?
Yeah.
Hold it over the net because he'll wriggle out of your hands and drop
She's
down.
on fire. Here, give me your
Brilliant.
rod. I'll take the rod.
Alright, I'll just do a quick little video and then we can take a still off of it, alright? Oh, well done. Oh,
Can't stop you now. I mean, they're not huge. You're going to need your hand, both hands.
yeah, just hold him sort of low over the net so if he wriggles. That's it, just gently hold him in the palm of your hand. There you go. Well done. That's it. Super, well done.
And
There you
away!
Lovely.
Brilliant!
Well done you.
Thank you, Louise.
You're the one. You're fishing beautiful.
Excellent. Well, Sal's just caught her first trout. She did catch one but it dropped off and then she caught another one straight after. So now I'm going to have a go in this little pool and I'm going to do some dry fly fishing which I've never done before. So wish me luck. Well, that's the end of our fishing trip on the river. Did a bit of nymph fishing and a bit of dry fly fishing. Waded right into the centre of that pool and I did actually hook into a nice big rainbow. Actually saw it come up and take the dry fly. Had it on for a second or two and it spat the hook, so I lost that one. So I ended up with one small rainbow trout. Sal actually did alright. She had a small rainbow trout as well. Another one dropped off and she lost the bigger one as well. But we've really enjoyed our day on the river today and it's given me a taste for a bit of fly fishing back home. Our tired and aching bones.
Walking over the riverbed, in the river, catching trout, fly fishing. What an
Fly
experience.
fishing, yeah, we just got back from fly fishing. Managed to catch one trout each. Lost a couple as well. You lost the big one, didn't you?
Yeah,
Pulled your rod over and it come off.
yeah.
I lost the big one, it came up and took the fly and
You saw his
that
mouth
come
come
off.
out.
Yeah,
of
it
the
was
water.
like this. It was just like this. It went,
What an
But it came
experience
off, yeah.
with a lovely lady called Louise.
yeah. And now we're sitting in the hot tub, relaxing with a cup of tea and a packet of crisps. What else could you want? Cheers.